It's going against my hey, man.
We are having the latest news. Play dramatic music in the background.
Maybe I'm not finding stuff in here. I don't know. Maybe some drugs. I don't know. Oh no! No, it's flying away. It's flying away. Hey, got the fun. Give me some bread. Give me some bread. Give me some bread. Give me some bread. Oh shoot! Get you some bread.
Ow!
That's the buttery mix of rolling. Rolling. There you go. Seagull, come get some more. Seagull, come on, boy. I think I can go very far. There you go, Fred.
We got duckies too.
I got a piece. Get it, Seagull, get it. No.
Peg, is the bread molded?
What do you think?
Did it run out?
Hey, Seagull.
Okay. Take the duckies with you. Don't leave them. Okay, never mind, I guess.
No. No. I promise you better not fly away. I'm having a video of it. He's fighting that bird.
Stop with the battle. I think he's shooting guns. Pew, 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 pew. Hello, Fiddle Dragon. How you doing?
He was just fighting them. Prince, he was fighting them.
Oh my gosh.
Look, he's fighting
Pew, 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 pew.
I got some more broad. Let me have some more broad. Go get your own broad.
Oh, hi, Tom.
Alright, I have to get my own broad. Alright. That seagull's like, boy, what are you doing?
He's just stalking the duckies. He's ready to hunt down these duckies.
I'm talking down! I got him.
The seagull's like, I can never be one of them. Seagull's like, I can never be one of them. That's kind of sad, little guy. Don't be sad.
Come on, seagull! Stop! Get it, seagull, get no!
Hey, you go say red.
Seagull! Should I get out the gate and I'll feed them?
I guess, but I not guess. I have no guesses.
Seagull noise, that seagull noise though. Mama, there is a seagull out here. You're missing everything. Seagull! That was a seagull, guys.
What the heck are you doing?
Stop! The seagull's leaving! The seagull's leaving! The seagull's leaving!
I believe. They're still sick seagulls. It's a war zone. This is a war zone. Shush. No, this is a war zone. Pew, 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 pew. This is a war zone.